Okay, so this picture demonstrates the technological process of producing bricks. This process consists of a few main stages. So at first, this process starting in excavating clay and extracting it from the ground by big digger. After delivering it to a producing faculty, at first stage clay going to a special metal grid where it's grounded up and put to a roller. Moving on the roller, uh, this grounded clay is mixed with sand and water, making some substance. After that, this substance go to either wire cutter or mold, forming pieces of bricks. After that, pieces of bricks collected in some pack of bricks, and they are going to drying oven where they, they stay for 24 to 48 hours. The next stage is those dried bricks going to the first kiln where they experience preheat with temperature from 200 to 980 Celsius. After first kiln, bricks go to the second kiln where they are heated with high temperature from 870 Celsius to 1300 Celsius. Next, after heating, those pack of bricks goes to cooling chamber where it cools down for 48 to 72 hours. It's the main stages. After this, produced and prepared ready bricks go to packaging, and finally they are delivered to customers.
First off, the clay is used to make the bricks. It's taken from the ground, extracted from the ground by a digger. Then, second, it's placed onto a metal grid, used to break up the clay into pieces, small pieces. This is assisted by a roller. Thirdly, sand and water are added to mixture, and which turns it into bricks by either and it's then placed on a mold or a wire cutter. The next part, the bricks are placed into an oven for about 24 to 48 hours. In the next stage, the bricks are it's a heating and cooling process. They're put in a kiln, which runs a high temperature from 200 to 1300 Celsius, which subsequently they stay in a cooling chamber for 2 to 3 days, and they're then packed and delivered to the customers.
Okay, this picture is showing the process of producing bricks from clay. First, the process consists of several stages, beginning with digging the clay from the ground and ending with the delivery of the clay to the final customers. The first, a huge digger is digging the clay from the ground, which is then placed on the metal grid in order to make smaller pieces Also, the roller is used in that stage of the process. Next, the water and sand are added to the mixture, which is then molded and cut into bricks with a wire cutter. The next stage of the process is drying the raw material for the next 24 to 48 hours. After that, the bricks are placed into kiln, heated up to 200 to 980 degrees Celsius in the first moderate phase, and then they're baked at the temperature of 830 to 1300 degrees Celsius. The baking process ends in cooling chamber where the bricks remain for the next 48 to 72 hours. The last two stages of the process are packaging and the delivery of the final product to the final destinations, customers, clients who should be satisfied with the product.